Hey all, it's been a while, hasn't it? Dude, I suck at posting, but sorry I haven't posted in what, 2 months? I have been busy. Now I know this is a generic excuse for YouTubers that haven't uploaded in a while, but allow me to simplify something I've been working on while I was gone, and I think you might enjoy it too. So, allow me to introduce the official The Upside Down Head Sound Effects Collection. A Google Drive compiling different sound effects that I've used in my videos over time. And now, I'm giving it all to you. Allow me to show you some sound effects you might expect.